everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome back to the channel. Here on this channel, you're able to get YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy, and that you do not want to miss any at all. To get a bit of my crazy, make sure you join me every Friday right here on this channel at 5 p.m. Alright, so I'm looking forward to see you all on Friday right here where we can have a lot of fun. Now, based on what you have seen in the title, you know what day it is. And we do have a special guest with us today. And that is...
Hi, my name is Etheli.
Alright, and what are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to be doing my auntie's makeup.
Alright, so you're ready to get started?
Uh-huh.
Alright, let's go. What are you going to do first?
Your eyebrows.
Alright, go ahead. Guys, we have everything here all sorted out. So she's going to be doing my eyebrows.
First, we're going to do the eyebrows.
Okay.
And make sure you do them straight.
You giving me straight eyebrows?
No.
Okay. Alright guys, so I got my first brow, so she's doing the second one. Alright, nice. Alright guys, so that's the first one. Probably this one wants a little touch of something in it. So you have to touch it back. Look, right here. Come out of the way. You see it? Alright. Whoa. Alright. Perfect.
Can I brush them up a little?
You want? Okay, sure. Guys, she said she's a makeup artist, and when you want to get your makeup done, you can check her out.
Everyone, now we're going to do the eyeshadows of the part of your makeup.
Come on. Put on that concealer for the eyeshadow. Don't spin it up too much. Yeah, that's good.
And first, you start from here.
Woo! Cool. Use the brush now. So that's the concealer brush. So spread it out. Woo! Brush it, man.
I am brushing it. Done.
Alright. So you're going to put on your colors now?
And the only thing what you do is get the colors.
Alright. Which colors you going to use now?
These.
Alright. Here you go.
We're
Show them which color, what you're going to be using. This is the palette she's going to be using, guys.
And
Alright.
you know what color every blue needs?
Okay.
The frosting blue.
Frosting blue.
Put it here.
Go, my dear. Oh, Lordy. Here we go. We're getting frosted blue.
Everything is going to be frosted blue.
Okay. Guys, this is the real makeup artist. Remember, if you need to get your makeup done, check JoJo's Makeup Artist.
Then.
Alright. You're going to put any other color or that's it? That's it?
No.
Alright, so we're going to do what now?
Dark pink.
Oh, you're trying to match back with what I have on?
Oops.
I wonder if this is going to be a
I got
good
some
one.
in the eyebrow.
You got some in the eyebrow? Oopsie. Guys, look at this. Whoa!
You would really need me if you wanted, everyone. And you can go on her channels.
Woo!
And make sure you find her channels. And make sure you don't subscribe to other people's channels. Just hers.
Okay, you heard that, guys. Make sure you only subscribe to my channel. Don't go and subscribe to anyone else's channel.
Just my aunties.
Wow. Guys, this is looking so good. Wow.
You like the shading pink?
Mm-hmm.
It's like so beautiful.
Who am I going to be now? The one in Frozen? You're finished now, or are we still doing more?
We're gonna do the foundation.
Alright, so guys, I'm going to help her to put on the foundation because I don't want her to waste it too much. So I'm just going to put on the little bit and then she's going to do the rest. Alright, so there you go.
You gotta get it everywhere about you.
Yes, everywhere.
Make sure to get the nose.
Yes, make sure you get the nose.
Sorry. That
Alright,
could have been a good idea.
that's a good idea?
I'll get it everywhere above you.
Yes.
Even the side. Good. Make sure you don't get the makeup.
Yeah, don't go in the eyebrows nor the eyeshadow.
Or it'll ruin your look. It'll make you ugly.
Right, and we're going for a specific look today, which is this look. Alright, so the foundation is done now?
Yeah.
It's blend out and everything?
Yeah.
Alright.
Done.
Alright, perfect.
Everyone, we're gonna use a contour. And we're gonna go from side. Contour.
Contouring.
The
No,
shine-
that's not this one. Use this one. You love the shine ones?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Come.
One line down here.
Okay.
I feel like I'm running out.
Wee, alright.
Right here.
Oh, Lord.
There's so what's that thing on you? So much.
Oh, you're contouring my nose as well?
Yeah.
Alright, awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Don't you I was a good artist?
Oh, yes, you are a very good artist.
And your face must be always beautiful. Everyone, we're gonna do the concealer. To go there, and here, and here. You start from here.
You're just going to put it right here. Alright, alright. Right here. Where else are you going to put it?
And you know, you said
Okay. Okay, guys, there we have it.
the beauty blender.
We're going to use the beauty blender to
Tap, tap,
write
Here?
on the concealer.
tap, 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 tap.
Getting rid of all of Auntie's little bags.
Even around the eyes.
Anywhere you put it, you have to go ahead and tap. Guys, we are going to see how this is going to turn out. Don't wipe it, remember? Oh, whoa. Guys, I'm coming together. Surely.
She looks beautiful, right?
Let us know in the comment area how my makeup artist is going so far.
And make sure to click that subscribe button.
And the thumbs up button.
And the bell. Everyone, we're gonna do the face powder.
Alright. Oh, Lordy.
You're smelling it.
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe that button. If we see no subscribers, we will make new videos. But
Guys, my face is coming together.
yes, it is in your face.
Whoa.
I'm sure don't get it in the part where you made.
Whoa. You got some in my hair, that's alright. Take time. Alright. Guys, look at this. Woo! Oh my gosh.
We're adding the real dapping. Everywhere you should keep on dapping.
Whoa.
Done.
Guys, remember to hit on that subscribe button and also let us know in the comment area how well she did with the makeup.
Make sure if you hate it, still subscribe.
And still give us a thumbs up. So now we are going to go with the moment that she have always been waiting for.
The blush.
The blush.
We're gonna do the blush, my favorite part.
Alright.
And this one.
That's the one you want to use?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Woo!
And here.
Woo! Okay.
The blush it up.
You almost stick me in my eye. Alright.
We're shining it up.
You want to put some bronzer. Alright?
What is bronzer?
The bronzer is going to give me some little shine gloss thing when I smile. So you're going to put it here and here. Bring that brush.
Oops.
Oopsie.
We're gonna do the
Bronzer.
bronzer.
Alright, just a little tip. Alright. It's glittery, so just put it right here.
Here.
Woo!
Looking so good.
Woo! No, not on my forehead. Come on this side. Look where you have it. Where you have it. Which side it's on? That side? Alright. Right here. My cheek. Shiny. No, around here mustn't be shiny. Oh, you're the makeup artist. Okay.
Everyone, we're gonna do the lipstick.
All right.
And it makes your lips so shiny.
What is inside?
Dark red.
All right.
Close your lip.
Mm-hmm.
Stop getting it in your tooth.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're going to use a setting spray now. So go ahead. All right.
Hi everyone of the video. Make sure to subscribe and check that like button. And subscribe to the bell. And subscribe to my aunties.
Oh, thank you. Yes, everyone. So if you love this makeup, which was done by my niece, go ahead and let us know in the comment area. Let us know if she did well. She did the brows. She did the eyeshadows. The
Lipstick and
the lipstick, the blush, the bronzer, and the foundation.
And make sure you like to subscribe. And if your makeup goes bad, call me.
All right, you heard that. If your makeup artist is not doing a good job, call my niece. She is available. All right, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next
Click
video.
that like button.
Bye bye.